Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, back with another video. So in this video we're gonna be going to Hotel Vaishali. It's next to Hotel Dhruvtare. If you have been watching my videos, you know where Hotel Dhruvtare is. And I've been to Vaishali before when I reached 60 subscribers or something, I don't remember. But yeah, I've been there on my Z650 and today we're gonna take my ZX10R over there. The thing about these bikes that you have to get used to is the posture, because oh, my back, look at that. ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೀ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಂ, so yeah, we have a lot of bikes today. That much is for sure. We're gonna have a tea break here and then we're gonna move. ಅಣ್ಣ ಮಲ್ಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡು, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಲ್ಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡು ಅಣ್ಣ. So yeah, we had some tea and then now we are on our way to Vaishali to have food. Whoa, that scared me. That actually scared me. God damn. I mean, now I know how people feel when I pass them. That was kind of scary. That was scary. I'll take that. I'll take that. Sorry, I'm not talking much, but just, you know, enjoying the ride, kind of. But yeah, the stock exhaust is not bad. You can still hear the bike. I mean, I don't know if the camera can, but I can still hear the bike. This bike jerks suddenly, you know, like when you shift the gear, it kind of just jerks. That is kind of scary, but no, doesn't matter. Woo! Oh my god. Finally here. Is that a towel? Oh, my back, my ass, my wrists are gone. ಯಾಕೆ ಏನು ರಶ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಏನೋ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. R8. Oh. So yeah, we have all the bikes here, as you can see. ಅದೇ ನಾನು ಹೋಗೋ ಜಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ S1K ಬಿದ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ. 10R ಫುಲ್ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಬಿದ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಸರಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ 10R ಫುಲ್ ಬಿದ್ದದು. ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂಚೂರು ಎಲಿವೇಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಬರುವಾಗ. ನಾನು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಸ್ಪೀಡು ಒಂದು 2 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಗಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೆ. ಅದು ಬಡ್ ಅಂತ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಟಚ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಟೈರ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವೀಲು. ಓ, ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ಸೈಜ್. What the hell is that size? God damn. Makes me feel like my bike isn't unique right now. Only this one is unique right now, the S1KRR. So we have a Yamaha Legend RX100 over here. So I'll just have a little bit of breakfast and then we'll leave. I have a problem with my Z650. The ignition button isn't working, so I'll have to check that out. Alright, we're gonna eat something, then I'll continue the video going back. So yeah.